Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on professional mode on Facebook. So first open up the app, then click on your profile icon on the top right, and once you're on here click on your profile name near the top. Then you should see three dots on the right hand side near the middle, just click on there, and near the bottom you should see turn on professional mode, so just click on that. Then this will just bring up some information about professional mode, so you can just read through all of that, and once you're happy you can just select turn on near the bottom. Once you've done this, it'll just give you some different steps you can go through to set up your profile. So you can add a cover photo, add a bio, add links to websites and many other things. But you don't have to do all that straight away. You can click on the arrow on the top left hand side, which will bring you back to your profile, and it should be set up in professional mode. So it'll give you the option to see your dashboard, and you can explore this on your own or go through the guide. And this will just let you know about performance, so engagement, reach, also about tools that you can use, and also help and guidance. So you can just go through all that if you wish to do so. And that's how you can set up professional mode on Facebook. Thanks for watching.